Namaste, everyone. This is Harsha Ramaiya live at 4 on Sunday. Because Sundays I've chosen to speak with a tagline that is Ask Me Anything. So, why I chose to take this initiative is because parents are coming up with a lot of queries to me. मेरा बच्चा लिखता नहीं है, उसको लिखने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. He does not like to read. He does not like to sit down for his classes. He throws tantrums, this, that, and many, many, many issues. So I thought ki general, I keep on talking about everything collectively. But then I decided that let me pick up one issue and then let me address that issue so that at least one query is sorted to the best. So what I have done today is I've picked up one query and one problem, one issue of the parents. That is, my child hates writing. Now this is in complete context to a preschooler where he is introduced to write and he does not like to write, and it's a big challenge for all of us to make that child sit and write. So when the child goes from a play school to a nursery class, I think this is the time when most of the parents find a problem with writing. So what happens here is let's understand and let's dig down to the root and the grassroots problem that exactly where is the problem. Why does my child dislike writing? That is the first question. We will have to go to that why. Because most of the times, what happens that when the schools start, they give their book set, and our focus in Indian community is that academics is counted to the pages that the child knows to write. So any parent whom I meet who has a child of say around 3 years and who's trying to take admission in the nursery class or already is in the nursery class, एक ही चिंता होती है इसकी, ये कब लिखेगा. And not only of that age criteria, I would say when parents come for admissions in play school, they have that question. Ma'am, do you have anything in writing? Do you give practice for writing? Writing skills आप करते हो develop? So I think it's very important for all of us to understand that writing has a stage. It is a stage development. 2 साल के बच्चे को मैं पेंसिल पकड़ा के I cannot make that child write. It is a stage development. So let me explain to you what is stage development. For example, if I have a child say of 6 months, okay, and I am very desperate that why my child is not walking, it is as simple as that because the child has not developed or reached that milestone that he can start walking. Because walking starts somewhere around 8 months to 1.5. इस बीच में कहीं पर भी बच्चा चलना शुरू करता है तो at that time after 8 months also if I am putting little effort for the child to make him walk, it's worth it. But if I start making the effort at say 3 months or say 4 months, I am in fact harming the development of the child. Same goes with writing. Writing also has a stage of development. So it's very important for us parents to understand कि nursery में admission लेने से the child will start writing. It will not happen that. Second important thing is it is very important to introduce writing sensibly and sensitively. Directly you give the paper to the child, directly you give pencil to the child, and you start making patterns, and you start holding your child's hand, and you want to trace, and then you feel that the child is not writing. I think we have to focus on a few important points. So let's first figure out the reasons why the child does not like to write. So there could be a number of things. There could be a number of things. Poor fine motor skills. From day one, I have been stressing that to write, the fine motors of a child has to be developed. So unless they are developed and we start giving children pencil and we start expecting them to write, I think it's going to burn them out on writing. So they will always run off because one major reason is that they have poor fine motor skills. Now, I will give you tips also how you can, strengthen their muscles, their tip muscles, their palm muscles. I will give you tips also by the end of the session. Let's look at the second problem, uncomfortable and awkward pencil grip. You must have seen children holding pencils, with a clenched fist, or they will hold with all the fingers, they will hold in between these two fingers, and there are a lot of other ways, the wrong practices that children hold. So that could be one of the reasons. If the pencil grip is not proper, it will not allow the child to write further. तो ये चीज बहुत ध्यान में रखना है that what is the grip of the child. It has to be with the three fingers. This is called the tripod. The pencil has to fit in. And when the child starts writing in the initial stage, choti pencil, I would also request कि please start with crayons. Please start with chalk because thicker thoda hoga, so it is easy for the child to balance. And do not allow the child to hold from the very back end. प्लीज जितना बने उतना आगे झुकाकर बच्चों को लिखाइए. जो पेंसिल है उसके टिप तक आप जाइए, जो क्रेयॉन है उसकी टिप तक, चौक है उसकी टिप तक. गिव दैट ग्रिप, and that grip will not come if you've given the pencil at the first. There are stages where you should give the pencil. Directly, if you open the book and if you give the pencil and you expect the children to write, it is not going to happen. There has to be a readiness, writing readiness program. So, for which play schools are there? So, in the play schools, what exactly is done? The activities that help the fine motor development, which help the grip development, are conducted. So then eventually when the child lands up in the nursery, these things are developed and it gives a backup to a child. But अगर प्ले हाउस में नहीं जाता, कुछ पेरेंट्स मुझे ऐसा भी बोलते हैं हमने तो प्ले हाउस नहीं किया. So either if you're not going to a playhouse, you have to expose children to those activities, those areas wherein their grip, their fine motors are developed. Second thing is why children don't like writing is general difficulties or delays with language development. जो बच्चों की language develop delay हो रही है, उनका भी आप देखेंगे कि they will not like to write. They will, push off when you give them pencils and books and papers and, ask them to write. So that is also an important factor to keep in mind. अब ये सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है. The problem is not with the language development. The child has a proper language development, फिर भी बच्चा नहीं लिख रहा है. मतलब there is some foundational skill that is missing. Now, when the child throws tantrum or when the child denies to write, for example, if the child is of age 3.5 and there is a work from school that is coming, it could be one page and you are making the child to write. And now what happens? This child writes one line or two lines. Itna to likhta hi hoga. Then further that child does not want to write. Why? Because either the child does not want to write repetitive. उसको repetitive चीजें लिखना पसंद नहीं है. एक लाइन उसने अच्छे से लिख लिया. Second could be the attention span of the child. Because the child is not wanting to sit in one place. Concentration lack हो सकता है बच्चों का. थोड़ा distraction भी हो सकता है. Could be that the child is sitting in a place where there is a lot of distraction going on. So it tends to take the child's attention there. So these could be the reasons. So when the child is in the denial stage, when the child says, I don't want to write, the first thing as parents, I think at that particular time, please do not force. नहीं लिखना ही है, स्कूल में से आया ही है. Because if we try to force at that time, we jump in the denial stage, the children will become more aggressive. And they may rebel. सामने जवाब दे देंगे, book को फेंक देंगे, चले जाएंगे. They will start stomping their feet and they would start crying. So we have to understand a few things why the child is not wanting to write. If we are able to understand that. And second, in spite of everything I have understood and then too my child is not wanting to write, you will have to motivate the child. and that could be done gradually. You cannot force, you cannot push, you cannot compel, you cannot shout and then make the child write. हो सकता है कि you shouted today and that is why with that fear the child started writing, but eventually that the battle will continue tomorrow again. So ये एक चीज ऐसी है कि जिसमें we need to motivate the children. So today, for example, I have my child who doesn't want to write, and I have persuaded, मैंने मना लिया बच्चों को कि मेरे बच्चे को कि आज सिर्फ 2 ही लाइन पे लिखना, ठीक है चलो, and that my child writes very nicely. I stop there. I don't run with the academics of my school because my goal here is to develop interest of writing in my child. Now, here, if I start worrying for the academics that is completed in the school and I make my child run, eventually I'm not going to end up. तो हम प्रॉब्लम को नहीं छुएंगे, प्रॉब्लम के कोर में जाकर उसको ठीक करेंगे. So अगर हम चाहते हैं कि in a longer process my child writes, I will have to go step by step. Identify the problem number one. If I find everything is okay, but this is just a drama because usko likhna nahi hai, then also there is some issue that the child does not find interest in writing. It's we who are not able to identify. It could be कि वो play time हो, it could be that the way I am making my child write, उसको ऐसे नहीं लिखना है, because कभी कभी क्या होता है कि मेरे पास नहीं लिखता, किसी और के पास लिखता है. So there could be a change of method also. I will have to identify and I will have to keep changing things. तो ये सब चीजें करने से, and least force, that is very important. So if at that time my target is completing the homework or completing the classwork or completing a targeted plan, it will not work. तो हमको जब बच्चे को हमने एक बार जज कर लिया कि बच्चे को लिखने में चिड़चिड़ापन हो रहा है, प्लीज हैव पेशेंस. At least 1 month, I would request 30 days, keep patience with that. Do as the child says and अपनी भी बात मनवाओ. थोड़ा ट्रिकी होना पड़ेगा पेरेंट्स को जब बच्चे लिखने के लिए भागते हैं, लिखना नहीं चाहते. So give them short-term goals. Okay, it's a big page. And what happens, look at the child's perspective also. There's a page, and if you would see, count the boxes, there are around 80 to 90 boxes, maybe 50, chalo 50 boxes. So the child has to draw that pattern. For example, it is number 7. So he has to write that number 7 50 times. I think that is boring for the child. So that we have to gauge and we have to understand कि शायद उसको repetition हो रहा है, वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. And if we catch that, give them intervals. For example, if one page has come for homework from school, don't give it in one go. Divide करो 10 minutes. चलो okay fine, we'll set the time and for 10 minutes we are going to write. So eventually what will happen, you will split it to shorter things and the child will look at it as बहुत जल्दी हो गया. Now, if the child writes only 2 lines, that is some 10 boxes if the child has written, feel happy, encourage the child. It may so happen that पहले दिन सिर्फ 2 ही boxes लिखे, वो 8 boxes खाली ही रहे. The child has not written, but don't rush and push the child को complete करने के लिए, because now our target is to motivate the child. Our target is not to finish that page. Because if I shift the target, मेरा target हो गया कि मेरे को finish करना है ये page, तो कल फिर से जब हम बैठेंगे लड़ाई होगी. So make a pause there, wherein take 30 days time, and that is also too long, but it would कम हो जाएगा अगर आपने in 30 days में consistency of patience रखा तो. तो जब बच्चा लिखना नहीं चाहता, give them short-term goals that they can accomplish, that they can write, and they feel encouraged. और encourage भी कीजिए और ऐसा भी बोलिए, देखा कितना जल्दी हो गया, अभी हम एक गेम खेलेंगे या टीवी टाइम or whatever you feel like, giving them. I'm not trying to associate this with bribing, but then you say कि अब तेरा टीवी टाइम हो जाएगा, उसके बाद हम फिर से 2 लाइन लिखेंगे. हो सकता है the child may say yes, may say no. So depend and learn the child's mood at that time. ठीक है? So that is very important. The coordination of writing with the child's mood and your temper at that time has to be in sync. So this is very important. And अगर एक बार ये सेट हो गया, ये जो प्रैक्टिस मैंने बोली आपको, बाद में इतना मुश्किल नहीं होगा. So again I am repeating, identify the problem. कहीं कुछ developmentally delay तो नहीं है fine motors की वजह से या concentration की वजह से या कुछ भी. And if everything is placed, otherwise also the child is throwing tantrum, then the only key is to keep motivating the child. Then what will happen is, there are a few tips that I would suggest. That writing जब schools में से देते हैं ना, and if my child hates that, let me, to develop and motivate that child's interest, let me give those opportunities where children's fine motors are also developed. It creates creativity in them and it creates fun. It adds a fun element. So give them opportunities wherein they can cut. Because हमें कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि उनकी फाइन मोटर्स डेवलप्ड हैं, पर उनमें उतना जोर ही नहीं होता है. So they start writing, they finish one line, they finish second line and it starts hurting. There's a complaint. मम्मी दुखे छे, मम्मी दुख रहा है, प्लीज अभी नहीं, हाथ दुख रहा है. क्यों? बिकॉज द टिप्स, द फाइन मसल्स आर नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ. सो अगर हमें लगता है कि है, उसकी फाइन मसल्स मस्त है, पर फिर भी मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज दें जिनसे इनके ये मसल्स जो है वो डेवलप हो जाए. कटिंग, पेपर कटिंग दीजिए. सेफ चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली सीजर्स आती है जो बहुत हर्ट नहीं करती, बहुत नहीं, बिल्कुल भी हर्ट नहीं करती. यू कैन गिव पेपर, यू कैन मॉनिटर एंड सुपरवाइज कि आप कैसे बच्चा कट कर रहा है. एंड व्हेन दे कट, सी द thumb and these two fingers are putting pressure. Then placing and pasting, give them ample opportunities wherein you do craft activities wherein they have paper folding, they are folding the paper, they are pressing it, they are placing it. You can draw shapes and then ask them to place and then paste with pressure. Tracing activities is the best activity. जैसे राइटिंग के लिए हम बच्चों को what we do is we prep them for writing. So any activity that is given to them, for example any patterns that are given to them, we ask them to trace. It could be air tracing. Give the child, for example, you are writing T. So allow the child to write T air पे लिखने के लिए बोलिए. And it will, बहुत मजा आएगा उनको करने के लिए. Now with the index finger, now try with this or the tripod. चलो टी लिखो. जैसे सोचो कि मैंने पेंसिल पकड़ा हुआ है, चौक पकड़ा हुआ है, and start. Then do it on the table. And table textures could be different. They could be rough, they could be smooth, खुरदरा हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So it gives them a sensation of that touch. और उसमें बोलो उनको with these fingers, tell them to make patterns. बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटी है. And this will inspire them to write. So जो भी उनका होमवर्क या क्लास वर्क है, डायरेक्टली पेज पे मत दो. मैं ऐसा ही बोलूंगी. मैं हमेशा सभी पेरेंट्स को बोलती हूँ कि try and give them assignments or worksheets wherein they are, because स्कूल की बुक्स में क्या होता है, if anything goes wrong our temper loses and we want, स्कूल की बुक है गंदी मत करो, रब करो. So give them one paper where they are free to do whatever they want. Children love scribbling, doodling, बहुत अच्छा लगता है उनको. तो वो चीजें करने के लिए एक अलग से वर्कशीट दो. Let them do whatever they are doing. You just observe what is happening at that time. Don't correct. Because every time children don't want to be in that zone wherein they are supervised for correction. So leave them, allow them to do those things on their own. And then when they come back to the book, तभी आप उसको बोलिए कि इसमें हम अच्छे से लिखेंगे. So you've given them their hands the exercise also. कि उन्होंने air tracing कर लिया, table tracing कर लिया. They could also write on their lap. तो उनमें भी उनको आप बोलिए चलो वील राइट ऑन योर लैप, हम टी बनाएंगे, हम एच बनाएंगे, हम पी बनाएंगे, वॉट एवर. गिव देम एम्पल अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर सेल्फ केयर, जैसे बटनिंग देयर शर्ट्स, टाइंग देयर शू लेसेस, जिपिंग. ये सारी एक्टिविटीज ऐसी हैं. फिंगर्स, द फिंगर्स शुड बी यूज्ड and children should play with their fingers. So that is the best thing that you could do and motivate. ये करने से writing में automatically you will find. But if your 1 point program or 1 point target is to complete that homework, इट विल नेवर हैपन। वो आज लड़ाई है, वो कल भी रहेगी, परसों भी रहेगी, और जैसे जैसे दिन जाता जाएगा वो लड़ाई बढ़ती जाएगी, because then children tend to back answer to the parents. Sometimes children come and hit the parents, they scratch the parents, they bite them, and I have heard children doing these things. So our aim is to develop interest, and it will come with baby steps. तो टारगेट पहले तो बाहर निकाल दो कि बुक या होमवर्क कंप्लीट करना है. My target is to develop interest in my child. And as I said, encourage things. Fingers जो है उसकी एक्सरसाइज आप encourage कीजिए. Tearing the paper. While tearing the paper, make sure that the child knows you've already instructed the child that बेटा जब भी ये tearing activity करोगे आप मुझसे पूछोगे तो मैं आपको waste paper दूंगी. Crumpling the papers. Children love to crumple the papers. That is a good activity that you could give the children. So that also would interest them, and ऑटोमेटिकली इसकी स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ेगी ना तो लिखने में आपको उसका डिफरेंस दिखाई जरूर देगा. Harm is to force the child against the natural biological development. So what happens, I think schools maybe they should do such orientations. I'm sure many schools are doing orientations wherein they prepare the parents के बच्चों को writing देने से पहले प्री राइटिंग स्किल्स, जैसे मैंने ये बताया, बटनिंग अ शर्ट, जिपिंग, ट्रेसिंग, ये सारी जो स्किल्स हैं दे आर प्री राइटिंग स्किल्स. ये प्री राइटिंग स्किल्स हैं जो बच्चों में डेवलप करनी चाहिए. गिव देम लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू कलर. Coloring is the best thing that, और कलरिंग में ऑल्सो प्लीज डोंट बी देयर टू करेक्ट. लाइन के बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, लाइन के अंदर ही जाना चाहिए. Our target is not there at that time. Our target is grip development, muscle development. So at that time, we will not focus that the child is coloring an apple and it is going out, or what is the color of an apple, or whatever. So let's not mix our target. Our target is grip development. And automatically, ये सारी चीजें करते करते you will find that the child loves and will start loving coloring. So you could give the child clothespin. कपड़े सुखाने की जो चिपटियां आती हैं वो भी आप बच्चों को दे सकते हो. They could open, close, open, close. See how much of pressure is done. How much of pressure happens in the fingers. And then this pressure will allow them to write. देखो ये clothespin को है जो, they're opening and closing. Give them ink droppers. That is the best exercise, You could give them just water, little water in a bowl, and they could transfer with the help of the dropper. So that is a wonderful exercise. Give children those opportunities, and believe me, बच्चे लिखेंगे. But keep in mind, force will not work. अगर स्कूल से ज्यादा प्रेशर आ रहा है लिखने का एंड बच्चा वो बकअप नहीं कर रहा है, ये टाइम है कि हम पॉज करें. स्कूल के साथ न भागें, बिकॉज एवरी चाइल्ड एंड हिज डेवलपमेंट इज डिफरेंट. देयर कुड बी अ चाइल्ड जो लिख रहा है, मेरी ही क्लास में है, और मतलब मेरे बच्चे की क्लास में है और वो लिख रहा है और मेरा बच्चा नहीं लिख रहा है. सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस इन डेवलपमेंटल स्टेज. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट, एंड देन जहां पर प्रॉब्लम है उस प्रॉब्लम को हम निशाना बनाएं. अगर बुक्स कंप्लीट करना ही हमारा सोल्यूशन या टारगेट रहा तो आगे जाके ये प्रॉब्लम हमेशा रहेगी कि मेरे बच्चे को लिखना अच्छा नहीं लगता. टुडे ओनली देयर वाज वन फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हु टेक्स्टेड मी, द चाइल्ड इज नॉट अ प्री स्कूलर इन अ बिगर स्टैंडर्ड. देन आल्सो शी सेड दैट उसको लिखना अच्छा नहीं लगता बिकॉज बचपन में कहीं हम ये सारी चीजें, हमने इन सारी चीजों पे ध्यान नहीं दिया. So it's very important to develop motivation, and motivation can only happen in baby steps. You will have to give time to motivate and help. I mean, the motivation to seep in the child. Today you are, you have waited, and tomorrow you want results. It will not happen. It's a gradual process wherein the child understands, उसका डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, उसको लिखना अच्छा लग रहा है. हो सकता है इतना करने के बाद भी कई बच्चे who are an exception will require more time. जैसे मैंने 30 days कहा, उससे ज्यादा भी हो सकता है. It all depends on how you take the pressure of academics that comes from school. सबसे पहले जो स्कूल में से जो भी काम आता है, अगर मैंने मेरे दिमाग पे ले लिया, नहीं आज 3 पेज आए, इसको तो कंप्लीट करना ही है, so that pressure will reflect. So it's me who has to digest that pressure because my goal is कि मेरे बच्चे को लिखने में interest होना चाहिए. So I hope these tips will work for you. Please be patient when it comes to writing because here in India it starts at age of 3 years, but many schools have started at 2.5, wherein the children are not ready to write. All the children don't come back and complain. There are a few children whom parents force and they start writing. That does not mean that the development has happened. We are serving wrong things at the wrong time and we then see the results at the later stage. So it's very important for us to understand what is right for our children. So allow them, give them ample exposure. मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ कि एक्टिविटीज जितना बच्चा करेगा, क्रिएटिविटी जैसे क्राफ्ट एक्टिविटीज, ड्राइंग एक्टिविटीज, उतना ही उसको अंदर से अपने आप में मजा आएगा and then that will reflect in its work. So writing भी जब आप शुरू करो, directly don't go for alphabets. There are patterns, straight line, sleeping line, zigzag line, curving line, hopping line, सारी lines, बहुत सारी patterns आती हैं. Please go sequence wise ताकि बच्चे को हर एक pattern समझ में आए. Directly, if you want the child to write A, B, C, D, if the child at all is writing also, it's not happening inside. जो development होना चाहिए वो हो नहीं रहा. Second tip is कि encourage reading before writing. So that will help, because वो एक backup देगा जब बच्चा लिख रहा है. So today, if your child is reading well, and if you then offer writing, it will work wonders. So don't always go with the flow of the school. Understand your child's developmental stages, and understand and identify that where is the issue. Is the issue with my child? And when I talk about issue with my child, मतलब कोई problem नहीं है बच्चे के साथ, but किसी किसी का कभी कभी थोड़ा लेट होता है. Fine. All the children do not start walking at 9 months. There are few. My daughter started walking when she was 1.2. So it does not mean that I get desperate, I get restless, and I start throwing tantrums. So we have to wait. Not all children will start writing at the same age. I also tell the schools, and in my school, of course, we have the child's birth date also written on the assignment. Because when two parents compare the drawing or the writing, I tell them, please compare the date of birth also. Because each day, each month matters when the child is growing. So be patient with yourself, stay calm, and do not get overwhelmed if your children hate writing. If you motivate them with peace, if you motivate them with little patience, I think it will work. So happy writing, enjoy, and next Sunday I will again come up with this segment called Ask Me Anything. If you have any questions, please post in the comment section box. I would love to come back and answer you. Thank you. Bye bye.